Today we're gonna go over a topic that all of you guys have been asking about is how do you get started in real estate investing? And today I wanna go over the hardest part. Let's talk about it. What's up guys, it's your boy Sawan Belcher. This is me taking action. Follow us on Instagram, okay? We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers there, and it's because we show what we do on the daily. Literally when I'm buying property, when I'm locking up a package of 6, like I did yesterday, when I'm rehabbing those houses, when I'm putting tenants in place, we photo all of those things on Instagram. And here on YouTube, we tell you how to use real estate investing to make as much money as you want during a 30-day period of time while cherry picking the very best real estate deals for yourself. Okay, now one of the most common questions I get is like, how do I get started? Now let me rephrase this and talk to you about the hardest part about real estate investing. The hardest part is getting started. The hardest part is finding the best deal. The hardest part is making the offer to the seller who wants $200,000, but you know you gotta offer them 30. So you gotta have the confidence to actually pick up the phone, call them and make that offer without losing your skirt. You know what I mean? The hardest part is, dang, after they commit to that deal, oh my God, I don't have $30,000. How do I come up with this money? And now I got to reach up to all of these people that I don't know, and I got to rely on them to actually come to me with the money, so I can close on this deal. The hardest part is about working with the real estate attorney, and you have not done this process before. So he's asking you all of these effing questions and you don't know how to answer them. So you look like a dummy. So you're like ignoring him on purpose, trying to watch a YouTube video to figure out what he's asking. And next thing you know, closing is coming up. And you don't really know what to expect. You're like, am I really gonna be able to walk away with a fee? You're thinking yourself out of it. All of this crap is hard, okay? All of it is hard. Literally finding the deals, funding the deals, and making the money, okay? Great, you just made $100,000 in real estate investing. Now we got taxes, okay? And then it's like, that's just another issue. All of this stuff is hard. But you know, the good thing about this being hard is after you do it one time, because you already did it, it is easier the second time, okay? My friend Jim Rohn said, don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Real estate investing is easy when you know exactly how to market for sellers, you know exactly what to say to them in that marketing piece, so that way you spend less money to get more leads. Real estate starts to get easier when you know what offers to make, you know, how to say them in the correct order, whether that's cash, seller financing subject to, or, pass them along to your realtor. And then it gets a lot easier after you've done so much work that guys realize you know what you're doing. So they're willing to give you their 401k money. They're willing to give you their life insurance cash policy money. You know, it begins to get so easier when your checks turn from $3,000 to $5,000 to $30,000 to $40,000. Is this business easy? It is not. Okay, but after doing hundreds of deals and owning multiple rental properties, doing multiple, rehabs to resell, let me tell you that it's possible. Okay, it's possible. Literally yesterday, I got a package of, I hadn't gotten a deal in the contract in about 7 days, which is rare. Typically I get a deal every week. Okay, but I hadn't gotten a deal in about a week. It was really annoying me because I wanted to get a deal, but there were so many other things taking me away from making offers. Once again, I sat down here yesterday going at it. I mean, just doing everything I could do, beating up the phone, had my headset on, killing all distractions, ignoring all phone calls that didn't have anything to do with what my purpose was today, which was marketing for sellers, making offers, and I ended up getting a package of six houses, one seller under contract, all because we're putting in the work. Now, is it gonna be another level of hard to actually get it to the closing table? For sure. But at the end of the day, do we wanna be the 90%, of America who wants everything to come easy and for some program to come in and save them? Or do we wanna have the 10% mentality where we're gonna be the best, where anything that comes our way, we can handle it. You know, that I am the top 10% of what I do. Change your mindset today, start investing in real estate investing, and I want to help you get there.